Hi, I'm Melissa Munn, and this is my beautiful model Camille. We are with FacePaintcom, and today I'm going to teach you a little bit about putting glitter through your stencils. So today we're going to go through how to add glitter through your stencils. So first I'm going to take my stencil, I'm going to hold it firmly against her shoulder, and I'm going to take my finger dauber. I've already loaded on some white, and I'm just going to dab it, and then I'm going to keep the stencil there. Don't move it, keep it still. And then I'm going to add the glitter to my dauber, and I'm just going to daub over it. If your paint is too wet, it's not going to work for your stencils. And actually, when you add the glitter to your dauber, it's going to absorb into the paint. So you have to make sure you don't have too much paint on the dauber. So look at that. So let's do another one. I'm going to squirt my dauber with a little bit of water, and I often check on my own arm whether the water to paint ratio is just right, because the last thing I want to do is get to the end of the design and then something is dripping through. It's a very sad experience, but then you have to stop everything and fix it. And it's not always easy to do when there's 30 people waiting for you, staring at you, waiting in line to get their kid painted. So that's how it looks with a little bit of red. It looks super beautiful. You know what we're gonna do? We'll do it with gold. I'm gonna add a little bit. This is such a cool stencil. This is a BAM stencil. And then there you go. So let's try to do it with the powders. I have my Pro palette with me, Elisa Griffith Pro palette. She has a beautiful new gold, and it really goes best on with the finger, this gold. I find the powders are super fast to work with. They're a little bit creamy, so they work really well with the stencils. So when you use stencils, it's very important to have the right balance of water to paint. And I find that I like to use like a fab white, which is a paraffin-based white, rather than a wax base like a Wolf or a DFX. Because I just feel like I can get it stickier and it will not bleed through the stencil as easily as a wax base. Maybe that's just me. But anyway, I love all the fab colors for stenciling. So here it is. You can add a little quick bling to your stencil designs. It doesn't take much longer, but people are amazed. They love it. So enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, please like this video and look below for the links to all the products I've used.